Did you know that apple cider vinegar has been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy? Ancient civilizations even believed it could help with everything from digestion to weight loss. Lately, its popularity has surged again as a go-to health tonic for many people. You might have seen it in your favorite health blog or even heard your friends talking about its amazing benefits. Apple cider vinegar's origins trace back to ancient cultures, where it was utilized not just for cooking, but also for its medicinal properties. Historically, it was made by fermenting apple juice, and was often recommended in traditional medicine to support overall health and well-being. This age-old remedy has stood the test of time, transforming from a kitchen staple to a health elixir. One of the standout benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to aid digestion. Many people find that it helps reduce bloating and heartburn, making it a favorite before meals. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can increase stomach acid, which in turn can help break down food faster. Another noteworthy benefit is weight loss. Research suggests that incorporating it into your daily routine can help you feel fuller, which may reduce your overall calorie intake. It's also known to help regulate blood sugar levels, aiding those who experience spikes after meals. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar can significantly impact daily life. Imagine feeling lighter and more energetic just because you've added a simple teaspoon to your morning routine. It can also play a role in maintaining your blood sugar, making it easier to keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your meals, whether in salad dressings or smoothies, can create a positive ripple effect in your wellness journey. Many users have shared inspiring stories of how apple cider vinegar transformed their health. One nutritionist noted, "Incorporating just a tablespoon or two into my daily routine has improved my digestion and even helped me shed those stubborn pounds." These testimonials echo a larger conversation around natural remedies and their benefits. In summary, apple cider vinegar is packed with potential health benefits, from aiding digestion and supporting weight loss to stabilizing blood sugar levels. It's a versatile addition to a healthy lifestyle, and incorporating it into your routine could lead to noticeable improvements in how you feel day to day. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried apple cider vinegar? What's your experience? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome health-related content.